Okay guys, so I thought now that she's crawling, it would be a perfect time to do a video on her reaction of the Robo-Vac. And I think it's gonna be so cute. But I always run it when we're not home or when she's asleep. So she is 10 months old and has not seen it run. So I got it out. She is loving it so far. Okay guys, so she did not like it. She did not like it. She was okay with it until I got too close to her. And then, as you can see, she was like, no, no Robo-Vac. Huh? One day, I have a feeling you're gonna try and ride the Robo-Vac. Huh. Fun times, huh? I can't wait for you to watch this when you're older.